Hi guys, hello everyone! Welcome back to my today's short tutorial. Today I will show you how to shade your object, how to shade your lively illustration, and we have a few ways how to do that. So let me show them to you. And if you like my short tutorial, you can subscribe, thumbs up, and let's start painting. Guys, for my today's tutorial I will use my Magic Gouache brush set, but you don't need to have this brush set. You can use any brushes you want. For us today the most important thing is just to see how to color our element, how to add some shades and highlights. We're gonna grab soft brush, grab purple color, move to multiply, okay, pretty lovely. Once again, if you want to change the colors, you might go to curves and you can make him more colorful like this. Second option. Alpha lock. You paint right on the top